G'day, I'm Mark from Self-Sufficient Me and welcome to my rubble of a kitchen. Where I'm standing is the pantry, or a butler's pantry, and right here is where our new kitchen is going to be. Now this is my second channel, Self-Sufficient Me 2. My first channel is where I promised that I would do this follow-up video. I've done a few social media posts about our renovations, and essentially this is our dream kitchen pantry. We've never renovated a house before. We've never lived in a house with a new kitchen or anything like that. And we got here in 2006, so about 16 years we've been living here, and the kitchen has always been inadequate, particularly since we're real foodies, and as you know, I grow a lot of our own food, a lot of fruit and veg, and we process all that in here. And for a long time I've been keeping preserves and food all over the place, wherever we could find a place to stash it, even in laundry cupboards, wherever, sauce bottles full of preserves and jams. My dream for, well, many decades really, was to have a butler's pantry, and we're finally getting there and we're very excited about it. There's a lot of, as you can see, a lot of work to go yet before that's done. So I thought that you might be interested in seeing a little bit what it looks like beforehand and what we're hoping to turn it into. And you can follow us loosely on this journey on this second channel here. I might do a little bit of a more targeted video once it's all done on my first channel. But essentially, if you want to follow the build, feel free to subscribe, and I'll be doing updates on this channel. They won't be very structured, vlog style, what's going on. Just so I can orientate you, I was talking to the camera right there in front of the front door, and you're looking back this way, and this is where the kitchen's going to be. We've done a lot of chopping and changing and brainstorming and wargaming what our kitchen was going to look like, and in the end we turned it into a standard galley kitchen, because that just seems to be not just the in thing, but we, after being in such a small cooped up kitchen for so many years, we wanted more freedom. And I can tell you, we did have a bench coming out here, but we've scrubbed that out now, and we're just going to have an island bench here and another bench there, a sink here, and this area right in the middle where I'm walking right to you is going to be all just clean air. Straight into the butler's pantry here. On the left hand side, or your right, there's going to be the fridges and some built-in ovens and some built-in cupboards, and on the right hand side, your left, there's going to be, in the butler's pantry, there's going to be all that shelving to put all the preserves, bottles and canned food and everything like that. Underneath there's going to be, well, underneath the bench, all around the inside here is going to be stainless steel benching with a lip, I think, going up to about 200 mil. And then above that there's going to be 1 million power points, so that we can put small appliances wherever we want and plug them in without using double adapters and all that type of thing. There's going to be a bin at the end there, another dishwasher, and pretty much plenty of shelving and storage space. Oh, and underneath there's going to be cages and areas where we can put those types of foods that we get from the garden, like onions and potatoes, that need to be aired out a little bit so that they don't go off as quick. So yeah, that's how it's going to look. Oh yeah, and I should mention as well, there's a big sink that's going in here, and that'll be central right there. Nice big sink so that you can, you know, fill up water baths and all those types of things, and of course put all your clean things and clean bottles. I mean, it's going to be so good, and I'm very excited. Well, we're very excited to get it done, but of course You do something like this, it costs money, it takes a lot of time. It took us 12 months just to book our builder in. So that, just to get it to that spot hasn't been easy. And of course there's finance and all those things behind it that were all trouble. And particularly during these times when everyone's busy, you've got problems in the world and problems with supplies, everything, all the costs have gone up. So, and we're not done there yet by a long shot. So wish me luck, and I'll just try to keep you informed as much as I possibly can. Don't forget to follow me. I'll come around, but I've got a pile of tiles right here. Don't forget to follow me on social media, my Instagram, and I'll be doing also some shorts here on this channel, dabbling with them and playing with the shorts feature. And yeah, that's about it. And of course, if you've stumbled on this channel, remember I have got my main channel, Self-Sufficient Me. So go and check that out. I think you'll like it, if you like this video even at all. All right, bye for now. Thanks for watching.